Elijah Enugu, I'm warning you guys, stay away from my inbox. There is no way you can discuss about this whole thing that is happening today regarding the ministry, Enugu State or whatever. Elijah Enugu can be involved either directly or indirectly.
Ekene nge oya manege montinono. Achọrọ m ka ị ga-ego dị ntị na this video nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Ọbụma TV me. Ọ bụ na ị ga-eche anyị ga-anachite ka itinye okwu na ya bụ ihe. Ama m na ị ga-echego ya bụ video. I really thank God that now all these things that is happening in the internet, and I also want to plead on behalf of all the Christians in the whole world, the people that is behind this act in Enugu State. I will my own opinion, nga like governor of the state, Enugu State, as in Gwandi security, I can have verify and make investigation so that the person behind the flyers, the arrest, the locking of the stadium, can exposed, so that people that is thinking that no ye dota in case obu here, people will know that this person is not behind this. People that is also thinking no ye in cause, so that people will know that no ye the behind these things. Because why I'm saying this is Oya na Elijah Enugu, nobody knows about it. Oya na the other person, nobody knows about it. Another person from nowhere, enemy of Zion and enemy of the other side and the other side, we keep take advantage of that thing, so that we can or ne assume no this particular person be the behind the whole thing. I'm just saying it's possible. Honestly speaking, if you to be mad in then somebody now like lawyer and cause will take advantage of that and get something, then the person will think that no and cause of me. So it's better that name this thing made the investigation before this month end. Good investigation expose all those people behind those things that happen. Oh yeah, my own opinion na this whole thing. Ibondamanjemon. Subscribe or comment and share my own notification. Akambowada Igbo Epic blog.
Elijah Enugu, I'm warning you guys, stay away from my inbox. There is no way you can discuss about this whole thing that is happening today regarding the ministry, Enugu State or whatever. Elijah Enugu can be involved either directly or indirectly. You know, the thing is that ever since I made my video, I don't know where I mentioned Elijah Enugu or that he's the one, whatever, doing whatever that happened to Evangelist Ebuka. Emanasina or Konyoahi and actually also. And no she neme ebe ona fu ha na onye oshi e wana ebuzo na akụ kubo ni onye oshi konya like trying to display ka kare makwa no ofi ya ka o na-eme. You guys know yourselves. Coming to my inbox to say some certain things, I'm accusing here or they are where or they are Elijah Enugu, there is no way you can discuss about this whole thing that is happening today regarding the ministry, Enugu State or whatever. Elijah Enugu can be involved either directly or indirectly. Just maybe, like most of you are saying, the father was on my inbox after my video. One of the father, he came to my inbox and said, did that thing really happen? Who did it? I said, yes, it happened. And it's really shameful. I was saying, but people are calling Elijah Enugu. I was like, oh, well, he had been involved directly. But there is no way Oga had involved indirectly. Some people might be acting, this and that one. But it's still left for him to call a spade a spade. Some of these things, all these things, gave a lot of people morale to be misbehaving in the name of you want to protect our own interest, you want to protect this one, that one, our territory. All these people has been on my nerves, saying all manner of things. You guys should know me. You guys should know who I am in terms of all these social media. The fact that I decided to stay low and be watching things doesn't mean that we are not there. So if you think that you can give me trouble unnecessarily, here and there, you guys should know by now. So I saw a lot of them tagging me, doing a lot of things. This boy, you're a stupid boy, you're this and that. Only in ourselves, how could? Like sometimes some of you like about more. Something I don't blame these people when I say Christianity I block some of you brain, some of you your common sense. That make you to see the truth, you try to make it like this. At the 9 minutes, the commissioner of sports said all that came from who? Apparently banner, hand flyer, hand bills, naked. We say that Ebuka. We say that in favor of who can they want those things? If we should tell ourselves the truth. In favor of who can people they want those things? Let's just say that he wasn't involved directly. But in favor of who can they want those things? Who is that person they claim no money? Who is that? In fact, it's just that someone like me, I know a lot, and it's not everything we do on social media. I know all these background talks, background tantrums. When we try to social media, okay, holy, innocent wedge. And I've been baseball, but the work one time, this one now. But I don't know, so happy, nothing now. Elijah Enugu. Allow me to rest. So we draw fire. I am walk everywhere. Fire here and there. You know, on my video, I was just stating that art of some hoodlums over there in Enugu is unacceptable. It's a big shameful thing in the Christianity. A very big shameful thing. Isn't that actually stop this one, that one. All that came from somewhere at that minute. Meanwhile, you guys collected money over a month. And I announced that they make you say, you guys didn't say anything. All that minute, couldn't watch the stadium. And they couldn't watch the stadium. They could fly and guy who, and they couldn't fly and guy who. Una be my arrest, una be my invite or whatever. But call DSS, put you everywhere. Ebuka Obi'S someone like me. If we're all going to pack you receipts, not pack your receipts, or this year was the only Ramadi Fana, one day he had a bow fire. But the area you guys and the Elijah Enugu stop all this rubbish is better for everybody. Whether you guys are doing it for him, whether you guys are doing it, or whatever, you guys know yourselves. You guys know exactly what you are doing. Okay, Kakari make you say, oh, in favor of me, can I hear? Oh, no, in favor of Elijah Enugu. Oh, in favor of me.